We got the old escape right here up on some ramps. Yeah, buddy, I got some, whatchamacallit, cardboard down under there. I am getting ready to oil undercoat this bad boy. Yeah, I got all the tires bagged up and ready to go. And all that cardboard down under there is going to definitely help this situation and help me keep it as clean as possible. Now, this bad boy is a $2,000 vehicle, so I am really not too worried about this shit. As you can see here, it definitely has some rust here and there, some bits and pieces. You know, we got typical rusts for a New Hampshire vehicle under this bad boy, but I'm gonna give it an oil undercoating and make it look a little prettier, protect it a little bit. I got the new to me air compressor right here, the old 30-gallon air compressor ready to go. I think I need a new regulator valve here. That does leak a little bit when I turn it on under high pressure, so we'll see. Not too bad. And I got the 50 feet of air hose going out to my newly acquired paint gun here. You can see on this rim right here, I did a little bit of practice. It's not so bad, huh? It looks pretty good compared to what it did look like before. I mean, it was worse than this one up here. It was worse than that one, so it's not so bad in comparison. This whole air compressor setup here cost me just as much as it would to have my car oil undercoated professionally one time. And now I own it, so it's really not that bad, you know? It takes a little bit of work when you're dealing with old shit. You know, I had to replace some valves. I still have to replace a regulator, whatever. It is what it is. It's still going to be cheaper with a little bit of elbow grease. Because why? I know a guy that can do it cheaper. You knew it was coming. You knew it was coming. And a couple hours later, this thing is looking much, much better. Just look at that. Oh my goodness. Beautiful and ready to withstand a New Hampshire winter, hopefully. We'll see, but it definitely has a much better chance. You can see all that looks so much better. Yeah, a little bit of elbow grease and we got it done, baby. Now, all in all, if you don't count the price of the compressor that I just bought and only count the price of the product, I'm into this oil undercoating for about maybe 80 bucks. Each one of these is about $70, and I use just over one, like one and maybe like 1 1/2 a quart. You know what I mean? Like not much out of this other gallon. So 70, 80 bucks, and I oil undercoated this entire escape, and it's ready for the winter time, baby.